Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you how to look into uh, uh, whether the drug list data, whatever you have done, it is statistically significant or not. Okay. So what we have done over here is that we have taken the CPDR values at the end of the study. In our case, we have conducted the study for 3 hours. So suppose for the test one, this is the CPDR value of S0 at the 3 hour time, and for the test 2 this is the one, and for test 3 this is the one. Now we need to find out the p values, whether these test results are significantly different from S1 or S2 or S3. Okay, so we need to find out these correlations. So first we have to go to data, then we have to go to data analysis. Then in the data analysis we have to go to t-test, two sample assuming unequal variances. Then click OK. Range 1 is S0, range 2 is S1, and output range it will be something over here. I will put. Click OK. So this is for S0, S1. So we will be taking this value over here equals to this one. Okay. Then next we will be having S0, S2. Again we will go to the data analysis. Okay. We need to change this value S2, output range this one. Click OK. Equals to this one. Then I need to conduct S0, S3. Here. Click OK. S3 is this one. And over here we are having this one. Click OK. Equals to this one. Similarly, we will be going for S1, S2. Data analysis. Okay. Now our S1 changes. Our S2 is this one. This is over here. Click OK. Equals to this one. Okay. Then next one is S1, S3. Data analysis. This one, S1, S3. Then output range is this one. Okay. Equals to this one. And then we have S2, S3. We have to do the data analysis again. Our sample changes S2, first one. The second one is S3. Okay. And our output range should be here. Click OK. Equals to this one. Okay. Now we'll just put change the systems. Let me change it to numerical format cells, number up to 3 decimal places. Okay. Now if you see over here, we have got the p values. Now all of these p value you have to calculate whether it is less than or equal to 0.05. Okay. If the p values are less than or equal to 0.05, then whatever the results we are seeing over here, that those results are significantly different. That means the results of sample S0 and S1 is different. So here we have done for all the samples and we have tried all the combinations. So you can see all these values, they are having p-value which is less than equal to 0.05. That means in all these cases the sample or whatever the observations we are seeing, they are significantly different. Okay, say for example, uh, if I change this value over here and I just change it minutely, say I change it as a 5.42, and again, so I will be doing the S1 and S2 analysis. So let me go to the data analysis again, two sample. So my first one is S1 and the second one is S2. Okay, and I want to have this output range somewhere over here. Okay, click OK. Now if you look this p-value, this p-value is greater than 0.05. That means these two results are statistically not different, they are having same results. Okay, so this is how we can do the analysis and find out whether the observations what we are getting for different samples, whether they are statistically same or they are statistically different. Okay, thank you very much.